Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today we are going to make Rhododendron. They have more than 1,000 species in its family. They comes in a lot of different colors, and I have decided to make mine in some bright colors. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so you won't miss any of our new tutorials. First of all, cut the petals out according to the template. Today we are using the 90-gram beige paper. Each flower head will need 5 pieces of petals. Next, coloring. We are going to color the petals with some soft pastel. Scrape some yellow onto a piece of paper. Brush the yellow from the bottom of the petal and move to the top. Don't forget to color both sides. Add some red to the mix and mix into an orange. This time we color from the top to the middle, so the colors will blend in the middle. At last, we add some dark red to the top edges, so we have the darkest color on the top and the lightest at the bottom. Then we need to shape the petals. Use a pair of tweezers to curl the top, around the orange and the red area. Expand the middle of the petal and bend the bottom end for attachment. For the flower center, cut a piece of 90-gram yellow crepe paper in the height of 2.5 cm. Gather the paper and color the tip with a brown marker. If you do not have any markers, you can also use pastel and acrylic instead. Take a piece of 22 gauge wire. Cut a strip of 180-gram yellow crepe paper and wrap a third of the wire with some UHU Glue. Give the wire a little curl. Cut the flower center strip into fringes. Give the fringes a little rub. Cut the paper into 1.5 cm long. Attach the fringe to the wire. Make sure you have left about 1 cm of the wire above the fringes. Expand the fringes and our flower center is done. Attach 5 petals to the flower center closely together with some UHU Glue. Add a drop of glue to the side of the petals and overlap a small part of the petals together. It should look like this. Get a strip of green crepe paper and wrap from the bottom of the flower to half of the flower stem. we need to make some leaves. Estimate the size of our leaves and cut the crepe paper accordingly. Stretch the paper out a little. Cut the paper diagonally and cut the half leaves out. If you need a full tutorial on leaf making, you can check out the link above for more details. Put the leaves together and wrap the stem with a strip of crepe paper. Curl the leaves so they bend downwards. Take out 7 flowers and wrap them together into a circular shape. 1 in the middle and 6 around it. Add extra 9 to 10 flowers at the bottom to make the flower ball as round as possible. Fill in some gaps and adjust the shape by moving the flowers around. Once you have finalized, wrap all the flowers together. Now we need to add some leaves to the bundle. I would like to have longer stem, so I have extended my stem by wrapping a few 18 gauge wire. This is absolutely optional. For the first third of the stem, we wrap the stem with some green crepe paper, and we wrap the rest with the brown crepe paper. Shape the stem by bending it. Take out some brown and dark brown soft pastel. Use the pastel to blend the joining point, so it looks more convincing. It should look like this. Adjust the leaves and we are done. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel to grow. Stay tuned for our weekly tutorials. And all our templates and DIY kits are available on our Etsy store. Check them out. See you guys next week.